The cosmic egg in the seventh chakra. The subtle essence of the cosmic egg resides at the crown chakra, at the top of the head, called Saraswara. One of the aims of yoga and meditation practice is to channel energy from the base of the spine upward toward the Saraswara. Each of the 6 lower chakras plays an important role along this journey, and once the final epicenter of consciousness is activated, it is said to radiate the light of a million suns, kind of like the halo we see in so much art of saints and such. That's what that that's what they're trying, or that's what they're depicting. It helps. It helps if you're going through a hard time to do these practices, to visualize. It's really it's really beneficial. I am a like little jokey person, but I do try to do this stuff, and it's helpful, especially during trying times.